In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn on two-step verification on your Gmail account. Adding two-step verification to your Google account adds an extra layer of security by requiring both your password and a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, as even if someone obtains your password, they would still need access to your second verification method to gain entry. To do this, simply head into your Gmail account. On your chat page, tap on these three lines right here and scroll down into your settings. On the settings page, select this option of account. You will then head into the first option of your info, privacy, and security. On this page, slide into the section of security. In the section of how you sign into Google, head into this first option of two-step verification. Enter your current password to proceed. As it loads, make sure to hit that like button as it much helps for the channel growth. On this page, tap on Add Phone Number to proceed. You can also use these other four options as your two-step verifications. I'll choose the phone number option. Head into it. You will then have to put in your active phone number. A verification code will be sent to you to confirm if it's your number that you want to add as your two-steps verification. Proceed by entering it, and your phone number will get added as your two-factor authentication. When turned on, in case on any new or untrusted devices that want to log into your Gmail account, they will always be required to verify with your phone number. That's how easy it is to enable two-step verification on your Gmail account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.